In 2025, Italy passed a new citizenship law, but here's the problem. It doesn't just change the rules for the future, it tries to erase rights from the past. And that's what we call retroactive legislation, and it might be unconstitutional. Hello, I'm Carlo Pontei, an Italian lawyer with Mangata Avvocati. In this video, I'll try to explain why Law 74/2025 is being heavily criticized, why its retroactive effect may not survive in courts, and what you can do if your citizenship claim was denied because of it. So let's dive in. What changed with the Law 74? Before March 2025, anyone with an Italian ancestor could claim citizenship iuris sanguinis, even decades later. There was no deadline, and children of recognized citizens were automatically Italian. But the Law 74 changed everything. It imposed new deadlines, it excluded minors from automatic recognition, and it denied rights retroactively even for claims already filed or prepared. What does retroactive mean? A retroactive law tries to apply new rules to past situations. It's like saying the rule you followed yesterday, it no longer matters. Today we judge you by a new rule. That's a huge legal problem because people base their decision and legal actions on the old law. In many countries, including Italy, this kind of retroactivity is deeply controversial. Why is it dangerous and unconstitutional? Let me give you just 3 reasons why the Law 74 may be challenged in courts. First, it violates the Articles 3 of the Italian Constitution, the principle of equality. Citizens recognized in January 2025 are treated differently from those in April 2025, just months apart. Second, it violates the Article 22, and no one can be deprived of citizenship without a court ruling. But this law removes rights without a judge, just by decree. Third, it violates the principle of legitimate expectation. If you followed the old rules, you had the right to trust that your claim was valid. For what the new courts are saying now, the Supreme Court has already issued a decision affirming that citizenship iuris sanguinis is permanent, imprescriptible, and retroactive to birth, and now several lower courts have raised the constitutional questions on the Law 74/2025. A major hearing is expected at the Constitutional Court, and we strongly believe this law could be partially overturned. What can you do if you were affected? If your citizenship claim was denied or blocked because of the Law 74/2025, you're not alone. You are not alone. You may have a solid case to challenge the denial, especially if you submitted the documents before March 2025, you filed a case and it was paused, or your children's rights were affected retroactively. The only way to assert your rights is to go through the courts with a legal strategy based on the Constitution and the recent ruling. This law may look final, but the battle isn't over, and we are ready to fight for your rights. If you think your case was unfairly denied, book a consultation now using the link below, and we will help you understand your legal options. And if you want to stay informed about the latest court decisions, watch this next video on how to build a strong citizenship case in 2025. Don't let bad laws erase your Italian roots.